Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we're working on I don't know the specific name of this toy. I might look it up later. But this is an Iron Man toy that I bought from a secondhand store for like $1 or $2. And I thought I could, buy it, paint it, and make it look like a figure, like a statue, something cool. And so that's what we're working on now. I actually started working on this a year ago. I stopped working on it because I didn't have the right colors of paint to do the job, and I kind of just left it in the closet for a long time. And now that I'm looking at it, there's a lot of decisions I made a year ago that I don't know what I was thinking. But now I'm basically gonna be doing this from scratch, which sucks because I wasted silver paint, and wasting paint is for me, it's not a good thing. So. This is the Iron Man from the first Avengers movie, and we're going to try to finish this in one day. It's something I've been putting off for a while, and I want to challenge myself by trying to finish a project in a single day and kind of work on some speed. So let's go ahead and just get started with the first step. Alright, so this is my spray booth, basically where I spray. It's not really a booth, it's just a box. I don't have a window or something I can stick a tube out to create like an actual spray booth. I have thought about spraying outside, but that's too risky. So I mainly use acrylic, so for now I'm just spraying in a box. Anyway, so first step is first. The kit needs some primer in some areas, and for primer I use Vallejo surface primer, gray. I am going to be switching to black in the near future, just because I think black might be easier to work with. So this is what we use, Vallejo. And this stuff is airbrush ready, so you kind of just pour it into your airbrush and sprays without thinning. I do sometimes add a bit of a flow improver, but one thing I forgot to mention earlier is that I want to finish this in one day. So I'm not going to add some flow improver. I'm just going to use it. I want to finish this figure in a single day, so I'm gonna be trying to like spray things, dry them, and I don't know, just trying to get things done. Alright, so first step, primer. Oh yeah, I also forgot to mention, I wanted something to make the figure stand out a bit more, so I just got some foam, broke it into pieces. It's supposed to be a concrete block. I'm gonna be painting this, see how that turns out. I don't know how acrylic paint works with foam. I don't know how it's gonna work in the long run, but I think down the road I might use clay to make a concrete block, something that fits his foot a little better. But let's go ahead and just get started with priming. The first thing I want to start with is like all the golds and stuff. So let's do the golds first, yeah? Alright, so we have most of the gold done, I would say, but this doesn't feel like vibrant enough for me, so I'm actually going to do a clear coat of yellow once that's done, and then once that dries I'm going to put masking tape all over it and then work on the rest of the body. Alright, I forgot to mention the gold I'm using is it's just a Tamiya gold leaf. The light is too bright. Gold leaf. But it's not vibrant enough for me, so we're just gonna be doing the clear yellow to make things pop out more, and then we'll be masking it all. Tell me how that is. Tell me what camera angle you like the most. Alright, let's do this. Oh, he dropped it. No. The gold is looking mighty fine. I'm just gonna try to dry everything so I can mask it off. I absolutely hate masking. It took me like 2 hours to maybe mask everything I need to mask, and now we're gonna go ahead and paint everything silver. And then I gotta actually do some more masking, but not as much. But we gotta do silver, mask off some silver in some spots, and then we're gonna do clear red, and then we're gonna remove all the masking tape, and then we're gonna put a top coat on everything. It's gonna be great. Oh, fuck. No. Alright, you can see this is how far we are right now. If I wasn't rushing this, it would probably look a whole lot better. But we're running out of sunlight, so we gotta keep moving. Okay, so... Oh crap. Are you serious? Okay, so... Off camera, I started doing some... Are you making noise? Off camera, whoops. Start making some dry brush. Or... Yes, I'm talking to myself. Okay. Crap, I keep dropping my stuff. Anyways, did some dry brushing. Gonna add some dry brushing and then go add some bigger chips. It looks pretty good actually so far. I did some gray on this concrete. Some dark gray, and then I did some dry brushing with light gray. It looks like concrete, but it's just foam. And so I'm gonna go ahead and dry brush this. I might super glue this onto the foam just so it can stand better. But because I'm tired of everything wiggling around, so I might super glue everything in place. So let's go ahead and dry brush the rest, eh? At this point, I've done an acrylic wash all over, and now I just gotta paint the remaining details, and I think I'm done. And we're actually finished. I'm very happy with this. It's hard to show on camera, but the metallic colors actually look really well. I did a acrylic wash all over the whole thing, and so there's a lot of detail. He looks like he's been beat up. He looks dirty. He looks almost exactly how I envisioned him to be, but I did kind of mess up a little bit on the arc reactor on the chest, but I think I'm gonna go back in the future and probably fix that. The cement block I actually love. It looks like cement. It looks pretty dang good. It's just a piece of foam, but overall with the project, I'm very happy. And tell me what you think. If you have any questions, let me know. Leave a comment, leave a like and all that stuff. Subscribe, whatever. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. My God.